Oftentimes clients come to us because they're either ready to file a lawsuit or they've been sued. What do you do next? Well, first of all, hire an attorney. Talk to several attorneys, vet them, figure out what their rates are, what their experience is, whether they understand your business, whether they understand this type of litigation and what's going on, and whether they have a coherent strategy that makes business sense moving forward. Because we don't just need to write legal memorandums and motions, and winning for the sake of winning when you're in the business world just doesn't make sense, right? It needs to make business sense within the context of what you're doing. So for instance, the plaintiff, you may want to look at how big is your case. That's one of the things that I oftentimes ask. The client will come talking about all the bad things that this other side did, and I'll listen to it for a while, and then I'll just say, what are your damages? How much have you been damaged? And it's like the first time that they've thought about it. They've been damaged $10,000. It's kind of hard to hire an attorney and go all out against the other side. If they damaged you $10 million, now you want to make a real investment in the litigation. So it's understanding how much force, how much money to spend, because it's all the pros and cons of what you're going after, how much money you're going to spend going after it, and the chances of collectability. Now, going to the defense side, you may just be stuck in the lawsuit, but is there a way out of it? Now, fortunately, commercial litigation, both sides of it tend to see the business sense and weigh the money versus the risk reward of the litigation. So you kind of know if they're only suing me after over $10,000, I can probably just reach out before even filing an answer, before undergoing any discovery, and try to settle it quickly. Maybe it's something where I can propose an informal settlement conference or propose a mediation. If it's a $10 million case, you're going to have to get in the ring for a while. Plaintiff's not going to give up that easily. You're going to have to file your answer. You want to be aggressive on your discovery. These cases oftentimes settle after all the discovery has been done. Then there might be a mediation later on, or maybe even settles the EVA trial, because most cases do settle. Again, I want to press on you, for most litigation, it's a business decision, and having a business lawyer that understands it's a business decision, and this isn't just about right or wrong or legal principles, all that's fine, but legal is a tool. It's a tool to be used in business, and sometimes a screwdriver is appropriate and sometimes a jackhammer is appropriate. It's knowing what tool to use for that situation.